Shining Hope for Communities founder and CEO Dr. Kennedy Odede has called on Kenyan's leaders and communities to prioritize rainwater harvesting during this rainy season to avoid the shortage of the commodity during dry months. He commissioned 10 water pans rehabilitated by Shofco in whole of Siaya County.
My name is Millicent Akinyi Okola. I am married in this community from 1983. We have been fetching water from the lake, which is kilometers away from here. It has been a challenge, but now Shofco has come and dug this water pan for us. We appreciate Shofco founder for his good work in the community.
My name is Paul Owini Ondong. Born in 1963 and raised here in Sigoma. In the past, we were digging this water pan with our hands. But this time, Shofco paid the contractors. Now the water pan is deep. I even saw the underground rocks, which I have never seen in my entire life. I appreciate Shofco's CEO Kennedy for this development. Lastly, we as the community, we will provide enough security to protect the water pan from being damaged by our domestic herds.
The Shofco boss further said the water pan have also reduced flooding in the region, revealing that he acted after the resident from the county requested him to help in the rehabilitating their water pan. Reporting for Sun TV Kenya, my name is Philip Ochech.